Let's know how we can delete the first element of an array or the last element of an array. How we can delete it? If you want to delete the last element of an array, you can delete it like this. The first things you have to do is write your array name dot pop. After that, brackets and close. Now let's see. Now let's see it. The last element of my array deleted. If you want to delete the first element of your array, you can delete it like this. You have to write the array name first, after that, dot shift. And let's now see. Yes, the first element of my array deleted.